Yes, ma'am.
Hello everyone. A very good morning to Oves sir and Himadri ma'am. Thank you for giving us this opportunity. Let's get started with the presentation of India's Enron, one of the biggest corporate scams. Satyam means truth in Sanskrit. Satyam companies won Golden Peacock Award for Best Governed Company in 2007 and 2009. Satyam was an example of India's growing success. They won numerous awards, in which Mr. Raju was awarded Entrepreneur of the Year, Satyam won Leader in India in Corporate Governance and Accountability. The company grew rapidly and there seemed no chance of downfall. Before proceeding towards Satyam's fraud, we need to understand what fraud is. Corporate fraud is the intentional misinterpretation of companies' financial information or activities designed to mislead the public and increase the profits of the company. It is done to attract the investors and maintain good reputation. But mistakes are not fraud. Fraud is intentional and done by illegal or unfair means. Moving towards Satyam's fraud, the Satyam scandal hierarchy goes as follows. Satyam Computers was founded in 1987. It converted into public limited company a few years later. The company offered consulting and information technology services spanning various sectors. It started from 20 employees and grew rapidly as a global business. And by 2003, it included 13,120 technical associates serving over 300 customers. Over the years, it won many awards as presented earlier. Satyam, in literal sense, means truth, but ironically, it turned out something clearly opposite. From being India's IT crown jewel and country's fourth largest company with high profile customers, the outsourcing firm Satyam Computers became embroiled in nation's biggest corporate scam. In order to evaluate and understand the severity of Satyam's fraud, it is important to understand the briefing of the scam and factors responsible for it, which will be explained by Sakshi further.
Say for example, your actual revenue is generated in 100 crore in a year, but it show in accounting statement that revenue goes to the 1000 crore. Due to this, their share prices increases and always go on high. Because of that, the promoters of Satyam Computer that is keep selling their share at a high price, and some shares are mortgaged in financial institute bank. Please change the slide. After that move, Rajesh opened the 365 companies to buy the property and made his friends and relatives to his managing director. Uh, Raju was planned to financial estate that he submitted. He will be covered with the money he has received from the real estate. And to match the financial statement that where is the place, Raju create the fake invoice and so has 6,000 fake employees and fake bank account to profitability of the company. Raju continuously to manipulating the financial statement for some year. Due to the misunderstanding, the gap of the actual figure and fake figure is increased. Please change the slide. But suddenly it's happened that due to the financial crisis in 2008, the real estate price was fell down. And due to this, Raju was planned to cover up the fake figure and actual figures was flopped. In December 2008, the Satyam announced the acquire the two companies. First one is Matters Property and second one is Matters Infra, owner by the family member. And of Satyam is founder and the chairman of Ramalingam Raju. It's planned to acquire 100% share and 51% share take in the Matters Property and Matters Infra. Therefore, there will be the no transaction in actually. On 14 December 2008, he put the same plan in front of the board member and decision he should be acquire the matters property and but shareholder did not support their decision because they are thinking that is no as that is not a line of the business of Satyam Computer. Due to this news, the Satyam Computer share prices fell down, and after the scene, the Raju did not have any option to correct his mistake, and he is confessed. And Ramalingam Raju confessed that he had to close circle to relative and employees and he has committed the total fraud 7,136 crore fraud. Thank you, and now I hand over the presentation to Shivani.
Good afternoon, good morning, everyone. So, as Raju confessed in his letter that only he is responsible for this crime, but this is not this is a very huge fraud and not cannot be possible without the help of editors and some other people. So these are the people which are involved in this fraud. Mm, uh, Now move towards factor behind the scam. The auditors, so the auditors of Satyam, the Price Waterhouse Corporate (PwC) play an important role in this fraud, as Satyam was found, as Satyam was also found previously guilty in 2001 and 2003, but PwC did not recognize that, and Satyam make yeah, a huge manipulation in their statements and accounts, uh, uh, where from 2000 to 2001 to 2009, PwC can't able to find the flaw. Merely Lynch found his flaws in only 10 days. Uh, uh, Sat, uh, because Satyam paid just double the money to the auditor paid by government. Uh, so the auditors are also involved in this fraud. Satyam did use manipulation with statement. He created false statement or a imaginary statement as a non-interest bearing account, or PwC didn't check the confirmation on deposit accuracy. Interest debitors are also not confirmed. Uh, he also plays with accounting years, use debit and cash surplus. Now I would like to call Mayank for further information.
Thank you, Shivani. Now, please change the slide. Merrill Lynch terminated is engaged with Satyam. Credit Suisse suspended its cover to Satyam and PricewaterhouseCoopers came under intense security, and its license to operate was revoked. Satyam share fell to 11.50 rupees on January 10, 2009. Their lower level since March 1998 compared to high of 544 rupees in 2008. The New York Stock Exchange Satyam peaked in 2008. The US dollar around 29.10 by March 2009. They were trading around US dollar 1.8. Investor lost 2.82 billion in Satyam. After the after criminal charges were brought against Mr. Raju and including criminal conspiracy and the breach of the trust and forgery. After the Satyam fiasco and the role play by the PwC, investors become worried to those companies who are client of the PwC, but resulted all share price around 100 company varying between 5% of to 15%. And the share price of the company fell drastically. The news of scandal. The Indian stock market was benchmark Sensex index fell more than 5% and share in Satyam fell more than 70%. In the how board of director was appointed, the Raju revelation about the accounting fraud, the new board member were appointed and then start working together a solution that would prevent to the total collapse in the firm. Indian officially quickly tried to save the Satyam that the meet Enron and WorldCom when they experienced large accounting scandal. The Indian government immediately start investigation. Word of gold to word to sell the company within 100 days. The plan to sell board meet to bankers, accountant, lawyer, government immediately. The work to bring stability and confidence in the back to company ensures sell the company within 100 days time frame. Board highly gold men fetch and Avendas capital and charge them the selling the company shortest time possible. The SEBI appointed the retirement court Justice Barucha to oversee the process. And and Mahindra Tech brought the Satyam shares 1.13 per shares less than third of its stock market value before Raju revealed the fraud and salvaged the operation. Now I would call Sheetal for further explanation.
Okay, thank you, Mayank. My topic is change the slide. Okay, done. My topic is investigation, criminal,
पेन
civil
मेरा था.
charges, and victims. My
You
turn
can
is now.
on your
The
videos. People, you all are instructed for switch on your video.
Okay, ma'am. Investigation, criminal, civil charges, and victims. The investigation that the followed charges against several different groups. Indian authority arrested Mr. Raju and Mr. Raju's brother B.
Mr.
Rama
Sajid
Raju,
revealed about
managing
the
directors.
accounting fraud. The board of market appointed that started working toward the solution.
Ma'am, this
What happened?
topic is a my topic now.
What is the problem?
Sorry, ma'am. He was speaking by mistake, I guess. He has muted now.
Uh,
Sorry for the disturbance.
yeah. You can on your cameras if while speaking.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, my topic is investigation, criminal, civil charges, and victims. The investigation that the followed charges against several different groups. Indian authorities arrested Mr. Raju and Mr. Raju's brother B. Rama Raju, managing director Shivas and Valanami. And Indian authorities also arrested and several charges of the companies like PwC auditors, PwC like Price Waterhouse Coopers washing the ban on PwC in the said ruled that the ban imposed by SEBI, SEBI was erroneous in law. The country's accounting regulatory, the Indian Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, ICAI, has finally passed its order on the Accounting India S. Gopalachar and Krishnan and V. Prabhakar Gupta involved for in this case for Satyam fraud. Thereby closing its investigation in the biggest corporate scandal countries, which the includes to serious fraud investigation, office market, regulatory, security and exchange board of India, the ICAI and SEBI. Please change the slide. Okay, main victims of the fraud children. First factor is the employees. Employees of strength has changed. Worker of Satyam spent restless minutes and restless evening as they confirm non-payment of rest, project are cancellation and non-payment of rest, project cancellation and hopeless prospects of outside work. My second topic Victims of Satyam communication laws of trust and investigation, their agreement linking with other companies, Cisco, Tesla, and World Bank are dropped the contract with Satyam. Third point is a shareholder investor lost their important ventures, and there was question about restoration of India's as a fraud speculation of coal. The VC and MD Mahindra said that the improvement had she brought about bundles, Unbrit Harm and Bundle India of IT specialized. Uh, and fourth point is the bankers, broker were worried about their recovery, brought financial and non-financial introduction and reviewed office. And last point is the Indian government. Indian government was stressed over its victim of the nation and IT sector influence confidence to put to work together in the nation. And for further explanation, I would call for Chetan.
Thank you, Sheetal. Now I will cover the topic corporate governance and the areas of specialization. Corporate governance is a combination of rules, processes, or laws by which business are operated, regulated, or controlled. The term encompasses the internal and external factors that affect the interest of a company's stakeholders, including shareholders, customers, suppliers, government regulators, and management. Here in this case, Satyam's earnings grew on quarterly basis, which Mr. Raju admitted that he overstated and understated various assets and liabilities of the company, which results in fraud amounted to nearly $276 million. In this process, he grossly violated various rules and regulations of corporate governance. Um, the relations of the company with stakeholders are not up to mark, as the company does not fulfill the obligation toward various stakeholders. The auditors of the companies also does not change the also does not check the deviations in the accounting of the companies. These lead questions towards the attentions of the auditors of the companies. To overcome such problems, the government, the companies have to, in this process, he grossly violated all rules and regulations of the corporate governance. He further tried to cover these deviations by investing in Matthias infrastructures and Matthias infra. Uh, the auditors of the companies also did not check the accounts of the company, which lead questions towards the intentions of the auditors. In fact, the company's relations with the stakeholders are not up to mark. They never had the opportunity to give their consent prior to the announcement of the Matthias deal. And they received the falsified documents, which will result with grossly inflated financial reports. In fact, the companies also does not pay the advance tax to the governments. Together, these issues raise questions about the Satyam financial health. Please change the slide. To overcome such problems, these are the specific areas which have to be improved by the company. Uh, the company have to distinguish the role of the management and board. Even the role of CEO and management and chairman of the companies are also separated. Compensations of direct and activities have to be paid fairly. The Companies Act 1956 provides the legal procedures of corporate governance norms, which distinguish corporate governance norms, which considered which considered essentials for corporate operations and various corporate operations and stakeholders of the companies and the right of the stakeholders of the companies. Now, my friend Sheetal would continue further. Thank you.
Okay. And WorldCom of India and B. Rama Raju while proceeding for help for the family members. This act was committed by greed and fame. It was the mazed fraud cases are the occultation of the pupil made it easier to commit and the fraud it result it listed several years. Today they are still in prison. And thank you.